Me, sir, can we replace UI and UX designer with AI, artificial intelligence, or generative API? So I don't give any answer for this. I will ask ChatGPT only. It's one of the popular AI tool. So what it will say, you just look it out. Okay. So I'm going to ask the AI only. Will you replace UI and UX jobs in future? And give me in simple answer. So what it says, guys? See, no, AI is unlikely to completely replace UI and UX jobs in the future. While AI can assist and streamline certain aspects of design, human creativity, empathy, and understanding of user behavior are the essential for creating effective and engaging user interfaces and experience. AI can be a tool to enhance these roles, but human input and judgment remain crucial for successful UI and UX design. I hope you understand, friends. So, as a human, you must need creativity and understanding of user behavior and creating effective and engaging user interface and experience. Hence, if anyone wants to learn UI and UX design course, you can happily learn because a number of people are these days they are thinking to take the any IT course or software course because of these introduced more powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, okay, or Gemini, whatever it may be. And one more extraordinary benefit is that is nothing but so coding is also not required. Only designing skills and your creativity and patience is enough to become a UX designer. Okay, and you can start to learn UX design course. As for this session, so many candidates are asking this doubt, so that's why I have uploaded this video. Okay, so if you love this information, don't forget to share to your friends, and also do me a favor, hit the like button if you really love this content. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.